had the Fuel Up to Play 60 presenters from the Kansas City Chiefs come out. We were fortunate enough to have Gary Spani and Mike Bell, two Hall of Fame Kansas City Chiefs players, come out, as well as KC Wolfe. They showed up here today to introduce their new flag football unit to elementary school, and we were excited to invite them to come out to share with us about the new program. And we were actually fortunate enough to have a Fuel Up to Play 60 at our school because we're a touchdown school, so we met all of the requirements for them to come out to our school.
Here's how y'all become winners, by giving your best every single day. And not just in football, not in basketball, not in soccer, but everything. So when you go to school and you go work your homework, be the best you can be. And see, you start a habit of becoming the best you can be, and then you know what? You're a winner.
I'm excited that they were here. I've been a Chiefs fan all my life, and just growing up loving the Chiefs and getting to see these guys come here today was one of my dreams come true. Dan was a great act. He is so funny. His comedy routine with KC Wolfe was just fantastic. And I think they were actually shocked when Dan came out of the costume, which was pretty cool. He got to talk about what he does as a Kansas City Chiefs mascot, just to show the kids what he does on a normal basis, which was great.
You have to eat a healthy diet, right? Now, who can tell me how many food groups are that make up a healthy diet?
For him to bring out the food pyramid and to get the kids involved on knowing the nutrition and to know what goes along with the food pyramid, but also, you know, physically active for 60 minutes a day, which was great for those kids to see. So we really enjoyed having him here. It's a grant that the USD 259 is going to get for elementary and middle school for the flag football units, and we're excited to try it out at McCollom, and I'm sure the elementary schools and middle schools are excited to try it out as well. We'll read over the curriculum. We're going to adapt it into our PE curriculum and hopefully have a 2-week unit on flag football, teaching the kids how to be involved in football and to be safe, especially with flag. So gets them the way to get involved with football and learn a little bit more about the sport.
You see those cameras? I want you to smile. You're not blink, okay?
Having Dan answering those questions and the Kansas City Chiefs football players answer those questions was phenomenal. You know, they took the extra time just for the kids to ask those questions. They didn't have to do that. That was on their own time, and you know, for them to do that just showed how deeply they care about the kids and the community and everybody involved.